Getting ready for making soya milk. We have soaked it for around 13-14 hours. It's ready. I just need to remove the skin. That's taking a lot of time because we have to remove the skin, then put it in the mixture. Okay, before that, just keep some of them inside at least for now. So see, only these much, this much is enough for 2 cups of milk, and would cost around 5 rupees, 10 rupees, something. Although we have like a lot of soyabean. Let's see how it is. Whoa, look at that. It really looks like a little bit of milk. Let's see how it smells. Nah, it smells like soyabean. This is what we have to do, remove the froth. Let's just remove the froth in the sink quickly. So it turns out most of the soya bean, you can see inside, it is not crushed. It's not yet crushed. We'll do it one more time. And this is we are doing first time so far. We're just trying to squeeze out as much as liquid as we can. This we'll learn over time only. So this is just the first time experience. So you can see guys, so now you can see this is called okra. This we can use for a lot of things. We can add it to make misi roti, misi paratha. This is very, very high in protein. Oh my god. Okay, it's a little bit mess, but damn, this milk, it tastes exactly same like unsweetened soya milk. Unsweetened, whichever brand you choose. Like the one I know, it tastes exactly same.